The beauty of symmetry. Symmetry comes from a Greek word meaning to measure together and is widely used in the study of geometry. An object or structure is symmetrical if it looks the same after a specific change is applied to it. Symmetry is something that all humans look for and seem to intuitively understand. The notion of symmetry is equivalent to the harmony of proportions, defining the idea that humans have tried over time to create order, beauty, and perfection. It is seen in various forms: bilateral symmetry, translational symmetry, rotational symmetry, ornamental symmetry, crystallography symmetry, etc. There are 4 basic types of symmetry which students explore in this event. They are rotational symmetry, reflection symmetry, point symmetry, and translational symmetry. Reflection symmetry, sometimes called line symmetry or mirror symmetry. Reflection symmetry is when an object is reflected across a line like looking in a mirror. Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry occurs when an object is rotated about a fixed point. The object can be rotated more than once. The number of rotations is called the order of rotation. Point symmetry. Point symmetry occurs when every part of an object has a matching part that is the same distance from the origin on a coordinate plane but is in the opposite direction. Translational symmetry. If a shape is shifted to some other position without being rotated or reflected, it is called translational symmetry. In this event, students conduct various activities using mirrors, pictures, tessellating tiles, ferrofluids, and even music to explore the various kinds of symmetry. Students see symmetry every day but don't often realize it. By showing students that symmetry and its properties surround us in the world we live in, gives them a greater appreciation for the wide-reaching arms of mathematics and how we really do use math throughout our lives beyond the basic adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Besides, the event also helps students understand how symmetry is used by artists, craftspeople, musicians, choreographers, and not to mention mathematicians. Students also study flags of different countries and explore whether they are symmetrical or not. This activity not only teaches the concepts of symmetry but also integrates social studies. It is important for students to grasp the concepts of symmetry while at the primary level, as it exposes them to things they see every day that aren't obviously related to mathematics yet have a strong foundation in it.